Good morning, students. Let's continue our topic physical division of Australia. We already talked about the Eastern Highland and the Central Lowlands. Today, we will learn about the Western Plateau and the coastal plains. The Western Plateau. Western Plateau. Western means a part of a land which is situated in the west direction. And plateau is a land which is little elevated from its surrounded area and flat at the top. It is lower than the mountain and higher than the plains. So it means that the western part of the continent or Australia is a plateau region. It covers almost half of the continent. The Western Plateau covers almost half of the continent, which is sloping eastward towards the Central Lowlands and the Nullarbor Plains. The plateau is composed of sandstone and limestone, which lies horizontal layers over the igneous rocks. What it means? Basically, the structure of the Western Plateau is formed by the igneous rocks. Over it, there is a horizontal layer of sandstone and the limestone. The interior of the plateau is a dry desert region. We can see that some of the deserts are the Victorian Desert, the Gibson Desert, as well as the Great Sandy Desert. Lies in this plateau. Along with it, some of the important ranges also lie on this plateau. That is, this is the Musgrave Range. Here is the McDonnell Range. And the Hamersley Range. So we can see most of the part of the Western Plateau is a desert region. Along with it, one of the important and the special feature of this plateau region is that there is a huge mass of a single rock. There is a very big piece of a rock is there, which is called as Ayers. And Ayers rock, which is also called as Uluru. This Ayers rock is also called as Uluru. This is one of the important feature of Western Plateau of Australia. Next is the coastal plains. When we talk about the coastal plains, we can see this is the part, shaded area is occupied by the coastal region as it lies near the coast or sea or the ocean. So the Western Plateau is sloping steeply towards the sea area, which give rise to a smooth and even coastline. The Western Plateau is sloping towards the south seaside and it gives rise to a smooth coastline in the south. But when we see in the north, it is highly indented. The coastline is too much, lot of curves are there which is uneven. In the north, here is the Arafura Sea and here is the Timor Sea, which are shallow, and here the some of the important harbors are the Darwin, Windman and the Derby. Whereas in the south there is a Nullarbor Plains, which occupies the southern coastline of the coastal plains of Australia. So here we have completed the first four main physical division of Australia. Two more important features are left, that is the Great Artesian Well and the Rift Valley of Australia, which we will discuss in our next class. Now one important information to you students, I had already given you the answers of first chapter, then of second chapter atmosphere. From question 1st to 8th, answers already sent to you. Rest answers along with this class I am sending to you. You all complete your work along with the diagram up to chapter 2, that is atmosphere. First chapter, representation of geographical feature, and then the atmosphere. Complete all the question answers, only that is given in the form of PDF. No other things you have to write, only the question answers. In the beginning I have sent some of the notes when you were not having your books, but now as most of you got their books, I stopped sending the notes, only you will get the question answers. So question answers, then define me, differentiate between whatever the questions given after the chapter I am sending, you have to write only that work, nothing else. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.